ang General Hotcakes. Ako ang Double Bass. At syempre, dito po kami naglalaro ng basketball. There's a lot of Filipinos playing here at the basketball court. Sila po ay soccer, dito pa ay basketball. So, ayan po. Dito po ay uuwi na. We're going home. Thank God. Ito naman po ang, di ba, soccer. Sorry, playground opening hours. Dito po tayo sa Hong Kong. Sa lugar po ng Wan Chai. So, thanking God for the opportunity na tayo po yung makabalik ng Hong Kong after 15 years. Oh, there! It's go, 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 go! Over there. Coco. So, we are here at the church. Thank God. Tapos na po ang day. It's time to rest. And to thank God for a wonderful day that He has given us. Thank you and praise God. Good day, everyone.